Okay, so I know my moving eye isn't the best because it's the first time I ever did it. Literally, the paper broke, but that's because it wasn't strong enough. But basically, all you do is you draw the eye here, like you get your eye base right here, and then you'd cut it out. Like this part was the eye base for here, and you cut the eye out. And if you need to extend it, just put it on more paper. That's literally what I did because I just did. And you cut like a little hole here for your finger to like move up and down in. And sorry, I just woke up, so yeah, put that right there, move it around. I have to fix it though because base is broken, but you move it around, and yeah, that's just how it works. Oh yeah, also you want to put a little hole thing here.